In the pursuit of a brighter future, our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji has consistently emphasized the significance of technology in education. His vision of a Naya Bharat envisions a country where every student gains access to top quality education. A key pillar of this vision is harnessing the power of data to elevate teaching, learning and governance standards across all states in India. Today, in the serene state of Goa, we witness a pivotal step towards this vision with the inception of the Vidya Samiksha Kendra, that is VSK. Under the visionary guidance of our esteemed Chief Minister, Shri Pramod Sawant ji, who advocates for data-driven governance to improve citizen services, the Government of Goa has accomplished a remarkable achievement by establishing the VSK to impact school education at scale. Traditionally, building a comprehensive data center like VSK would span several years. However, Goa, known for its innovation, breaks the mold. The Goa Directorate of Education, in strategic partnership with Convegenius and ITG, has brought the VSK to life with real-time monitoring in a record time. But the Vidya Samiksha Kendra isn't just a data center. It's a beacon of hope, an institution of opportunity, and a catalyst for transformation. It promises to empower students, inspire teachers, and strengthen administrators through the revolutionary 3S formula. Sampurna students, Samarth teachers, and Sashakt admins.
The parent, teachers and students इनके बीच में एक समन्वय काम करने के लिए विद्या समीक्षा केंद्र काम आएगा. Goa will be the one of the best state new technology in the education system पे introduce कर सकेंगे.
The Goa government has expertly blended innovative conversational AI technology with educational strategy. Through swift chat-based simple chatbots, students, teachers, and administrators now stand interconnected. VSK unifies diverse academic and administrative initiatives ranging from daily attendance to school inspection, assessments to holistic report cards, teacher professional development to remedial teaching, and parent engagement to home learning. All streamlined through smart chatbots on Swift Chat, a platform that promises a lasting impact on Goa's education landscape. Today, we are privileged to have the Chief Minister of Goa, Shri Pramod Sawant ji, grace the inauguration of the Vidya Samiksha Kendra. We extend heartfelt gratitude for his forward-thinking leadership, steering Goa's education towards unparalleled excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the future of education. Welcome to Vidya Samiksha Kendra, Goa.